Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include remote start, heated steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitor. We are pleased to show you the 2023 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.